guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's your Sunny Trainer, Sydney, and I'm back today with another great workout on the incline rower. This is an intermediate level workout and it's designed for lower body. So we're going to be doing a combination of regular incline rows on this machine as well as some leg presses, legs only rowing to really get into that lower body today. So let's strap in and we'll get started with an easy warm-up. Make sure those straps are nice and tight because we really don't want to be falling out during our workout. Okay, you've got about 10 more seconds to get settled in on your machine and then we're going to get started with our warm-up. Grab onto those handles wherever you feel comfortable and let's go. Nice and easy, slow pace, just working on warming up the body here and kind of getting into the groove. Let's wake up all those muscles. Nice and easy. We're about halfway through. Keep it up. So for our workout today, we're going to be working with different intervals, 30 seconds each. We're first going to be starting with a row, quicker pace than what we're doing now. We're then going to move into a leg press, which is legs only rowing, and then we'll do a combination of the two. So each set is going to be 1 minute and 30 seconds long, and then we'll take a 1 minute rest and we'll repeat that 5 times. All right, let's rest for a few seconds. We're going to get going in 10 seconds here. So grab those handlebars, get ready for that first interval. Let's do it. 30 seconds, full incline row. Let's pick up that pace from our warm-up. As fast as you feel comfortable today. Challenge yourself exactly where you're at. 5 more seconds. And switch to leg press. We're just using our legs here. Arms aren't moving at all. Extend up into that leg press. Squeeze those glutes to the top. This is such an important drill because rowing, no matter if you're on an incline machine or a regular rowing machine, going to be using those legs for the majority of your drive. So this is a good one to get that into your mind. And switch. We're going to be doing a row to 3 presses. Come on, keep it up. Row and 3. Squeeze those glutes and row. Good job. 5 more seconds. And rest. Woo! Great job, you guys. So that was our first set. We're going to do 5 of those total, so 4 more. We have 1 total minute of rest here, so feel free to chill, catch your breath, grab a drink of water. You can always get off your machine if that's more comfortable for you during our rest time. Stretch out anything that feels tight. We've got plenty of time to recover before our next round. So now that we have a good idea of what we're doing today, I really want you guys to focus in and be intentional about each of the intervals, focusing on our form, and when you're ready, increasing that speed to really make sure that we're getting a good cardiovascular workout in today. Nice and easy breaths. We have about 15 seconds left, so if you got off your rower, head back down and get strapped in. Let's get excited for that next set. In 3, 2, 1, and we're back to rowing. Good job, you got it. 10 more seconds, and then we'll switch. And 3, 2, 1, and leg press. Keep those arms extended. Focus on a nice, powerful drive through those legs. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Good job. Halfway there. Remember to keep that core tight through each of these exercises, but especially for this one. And 3, 2, 1. Let's switch. One row. Oops, I did 2. To 3 presses. I'm just trying to work extra hard, you know? Good job, you guys. Keep it up. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo. Second round down. 3 more to go. Great job, you guys. Catch your breath. Nice and easy. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Soak in this rest. We've got about 45 seconds left, so plenty of time. Grab a sip of water if you need it. Stretch out any tight muscles, and we'll get right back on it. You guys might notice that there's a lot of rest built into that workout, and that's by design because this machine is really tough and challenging, especially if you haven't used it before. So I really want to make sure that you guys are well rested so that you can give your best effort during these intervals. We want to make sure that we're working up and building to work for longer periods of time on this machine because it is definitely challenging. All right, hop back up on your machine. We've got 10 seconds and we're going to get into round 3. Ready, set, let's go. Full row. Remember your form, nice upright posture, tight core. Squeeze those shoulder blades as you pull those handlebars back. Good job. And 3, 2, 1. Switch to leg press. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Push with power through those heels. Should feel it all the way up into those glutes. Keep breathing. Come on, you've got it. And 3, 2, 1, and row. So 3 presses. Good job, guys. Get in that flow. Let's keep that momentum going. Big row. And press. Come on, 5 more seconds. Push that pace. And rest. Oh, so good. Catch your breath. Like always, take this time to grab a sip of water or whatever you need. Sometimes sitting on the rower, especially when you're not doing anything, can really make that butt tight. So feel free to stand up, shake it out if you need to, and we'll get right back on it. We have about 45 seconds left, so plenty of time. Stretch out my hamstrings here, because they are already feeling the burn. This is a great workout. If you guys want to use this workout multiple times, do this, as you get fitter and fitter, you'll be able to complete it faster and have more strength and endurance, which will just continue to build and help you with those harder workouts down the road. So I definitely encourage that. Honestly, with all of the workouts on our channel, the more that you do them, the better that you're going to get, the fitter you're going to get, and the harder you're going to be able to push yourself. Okay, ready? Back to your rower. Let's get started. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Full row. You've got 30 seconds. Great job, you guys. Focus in. The end is in sight. And I know our muscles are getting tired, so let's really push it for these last 2 rounds. Make it count. And switch. Leg press. Legs only. Push with power. Good job. Really contract those muscles. My legs are really starting to feel this. In the best way though. Love a good burn. And switch. Row to 3 presses. Big row. And press. 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 And a big row. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Whew. Shake it out. Oh my goodness, all of my muscles. We are feeling this now. I know this is designed to be a lower body workout, but this machine is so tough on your upper body as well because you're really pulling yourself up that incline. So, as much as I said lower body, it really is a full body workout. It's a real good one. Find your breath. Big in through the nose and a big exhale out. Come on, you guys. We have one more interval and we're going to kill it. So let's get focused, get your mind right. Let's really make this last interval count. We have 5 seconds. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Full row. Nice. Big range of motion. Come on. I know your body is tired. Mine is too. Let's keep pushing it. Last round. Let's make it count. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. Leg press. Be mindful of your knees here, guys. We shouldn't be locking those out because that's a lot of impact, especially with the power that we're pushing through our heels and through those pedals. So just be mindful and catch your knees before you get to that point. Last time, go to press. 3 presses. And row. Almost there. Woo! And rest. Nice work, you guys. We made it through all 5 rounds. Shake it out. We're gonna head straight into a 1-minute cool down, so nice and easy on your machine. Nice and slow. I know that body is tired, so as slow as your heart rate. We are working on lowering that heart rate right now. So nice and slow, gentle on those muscles. Great job today, you guys. That workout is challenging, but it's such a good one on this machine. Like I said, I challenge you guys to do this workout again and see if you can push yourself harder next time.